Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're considering a solo trip and you have your sights set on Europe, you're in for a treat today. With so many diverse and incredible destinations, Europe has something for every solo traveler. We're going to be your travel guide for today, exploring some of the best European cities for solo adventurers. We'll be talking about affordable places to stay in and key places to visit. But most importantly, the best local hangouts to mingle with the friendly natives. Stay tuned as we discuss each city's unique pros and cons and show you around the most budget-friendly hostels to meet fellow explorers in each location. Europe, here we come. Starting off our list is the city of canals, tulips, and narrow houses with gabled facades, which are a legacy of the 17th century Golden Age. Amsterdam is a haven for solo travelers. The city is filled with bars, restaurants, and interesting local shops. Besides that, Amsterdam is one of the most bicycle-friendly cities in the world. There are more bikes than people, and it's a fun, affordable, and a healthy way to see the city. Amsterdam is also known for its vibrant nightlife and diverse social scene. Whether you're looking to make new friends, enjoy a night of dancing, or simply explore local hangouts, there are plenty of spots. Here are some key places to visit in Amsterdam. Nemo Science Museum. It is one of Amsterdam's most iconic museums of science and technology. Nemo is home to 5 floors of interactive exhibits, making science accessible and fun for all ages. Exhibitions cover a wide range of topics, including physics, chemistry, biology, and technology. Visitors can conduct experiments, learn about the universe, discover the inner workings of the human brain, and much more. The rooftop terrace of Nemo offers an incredible view and features an outdoor exhibition called Energetica, which educates visitors about wind energy, solar power, and other sustainable technologies. Van Gogh Museum. This museum is dedicated to the works of Vincent van Gogh and his contemporaries. It's one of the most visited museums in the Netherlands and offers an unparalleled insight into the life and artistic evolution of one of the most famous artists in history. It houses the largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's works in the world. This includes over 200 paintings, 500 drawings, and more than 750 letters. The collection spans his entire career, from early works to his later pieces. Leiden Square, located in the heart of Amsterdam, is one of the city's most famous squares and a hub for entertainment and nightlife. In the summertime, Leiden Square becomes a lively social hub, with outdoor terraces emerging as favorite spots for both locals and tourists. You can explore some traditional Dutch pubs and meet a lot of tourists and locals, and perhaps make some new friends. Rembrandt Square, named after the famous Dutch painter, Rembrandt Square is another hotspot for nightlife and entertainment. Rembrandt Square once served as the city's dairy market. Its transformation into a major social square started in the 19th century, when a statue of Rembrandt was built at its center. The square has since been synonymous with art, culture, and entertainment. One of Amsterdam's largest and most popular nightclub, Escape, is located at the square, which is hosting various electronic music events. The club hosts a wide variety of DJs, both local and international, playing everything from mainstream EDM to techno and house music. It's a place where established names and rising talents often share the decks, providing a musical experience that caters to a diverse crowd. Amsterdam has a variety of budget-friendly accommodations for travelers on a tight budget. Here are a few options. The Flying Pig. Downtown, located right next to Amsterdam Central Station, this popular hostel is known for its friendly, laid-back atmosphere. It offers dormitory-style rooms and private rooms, along with communal facilities like a kitchen, bar, and smoking room. Klinknoord Hostel. Located in the cultural area in the northern part of Amsterdam, this hostel offers a range of room types, including private rooms and mixed dormitories. The hostel has a lively atmosphere and is a short journey away from the central station. Amsterdam is a compact city, making it easy to explore on foot or by bicycle. The public transport system is efficient and reliable if you want to cover more ground. The Netherlands has one of the highest English proficiency levels in the world for a non-native English-speaking country. This can make interactions with locals significantly easier for English-speaking tourists. Dutch culture values honesty and directness. While this can sometimes be misinterpreted as rudeness, it's generally not meant that way. Dutch people appreciate clear communication and can be refreshingly straightforward. Now, the next city is known through the history of times, which is Rome, the capital city of Italy, known as the Eternal City. Rome is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, with an illustrious history that spans over 28 centuries. But Rome isn't just about history. Its geographical position in the Italian peninsula and Mediterranean region influences Rome's Mediterranean climate, characterized by mild, rainy winters and hot, dry summers. This makes it a popular destination throughout the year, with peak tourism occurring in the spring and autumn months. So if you are going to Rome, or if you're already there, here are some places that you really need to visit. The Colosseum. The Colosseum, known as the Flavian Amphitheater, and is one of the most famous places in Rome, and is a symbol of the Roman Empire. It is truly the largest amphitheater ever built. The Colosseum is not just a structure of stone and marble you're looking at when you visit the Colosseum. It's a portal into the past, a glimpse of Rome's glorious history and the back door to the Roman Empire. Vatican City was established by the Lateran Treaty in 1929 between Italy and the Holy See. It's the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It is also the world's smallest country. If you're into setting foot in the world's smallest places, you'll find a visit to the Vatican City intriguing. It's the smallest recognized independent state in the world. It's also home to magnificent gardens and important religious buildings. A few examples are St. Peter's Basilica, Sistine Chapel. It's really amazing to see all these magnificent places in Rome. After all, it is Rome. But let's move on to another important part. Here are some best places to stay in Rome, whether you travel solo or with a group. The Beehive, located just a few steps from the Rome Termini train station, the Beehive offers a mix of dormitory-style rooms and private rooms to suit your budget. Its central location makes it easy to access major tourist sites, either on foot or via public transport. Generator Rome. This trendy hostel is located in Esquilino, one of Rome's old residential neighborhoods. It's just a quick walk from the Colosseum and a short metro ride away from the Vatican City. Generator Rome offers a variety of rooms, from shared dorms to private rooms, all with en-suite bathrooms, and is a great place to meet fellow travelers. There are many reasons for visiting this city. Few cities in the world can match Rome's history. From the ruins of the Roman Empire, including the Colosseum, to the city's rebirth during the Renaissance, Rome is a living museum. History enthusiasts will find no end of wonders. Many of Rome's most famous sites are within walking distance of each other. Whether you prefer a quiet evening at a wine bar, a night at the opera, or dancing till dawn, Rome's nightlife scene has something for everyone. One of a few downsides could be the language barrier. While many Romans speak English, especially in the tourist sector, you may encounter some who don't. A basic understanding of Italian phrases can enhance your experience. Rome is a capital city and a major tourist hotspot, so expect higher prices for accommodations, dining, and souvenirs, especially in areas close to major tourist sites. Bonjour and welcome to Paris. Known as the City of Light, Paris is a symbol of love and romance, home to world-renowned landmarks, museums, and charming cafes. Paris is celebrated for its beautiful architecture, high-end cuisine, and flourishing art scene, captivating the hearts of millions of visitors each year. Here are some places to visit: Eiffel Tower. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the iconic Eiffel Tower. Be it day or night, the panoramic view of the city from the top is breathtaking. Louvre Museum. The world's largest art museum, the Louvre is home to a multitude of works from different civilizations, periods, and cultures, including the famed Mona Lisa. Notre Dame Cathedral. Even after the devastating fire, Notre Dame remains an emblematic symbol of Paris. While reconstruction is underway, you can still appreciate its French Gothic architecture from the outside. Palace of Versailles. A short trip from the city center, the Palace of Versailles showcases opulent royal chambers, a hall of mirrors, and extensive gardens that are a sight to behold. Le Marais. This fashionable district is full of trendy bars, vintage shops, and traditional Jewish bakeries. It's a great place to meet locals and fellow tourists alike. Latin Quarter is located in the heart of Paris, on the left bank of the Seine. The district gets its name from the Latin language, which was widely spoken here in the Middle Ages. When night falls, the Latin Quarter truly comes alive. With an array of bars, clubs, and jazz lounges, it's a hotspot for nightlife in the city. Whether you're in the mood for cocktails, wine, live music, or dancing, you're sure to find a venue that suits your taste in the Latin Quarter. There are a lot of budget-friendly places to stay. St. Christopher's Inn, Paris. Situated in a serene location overlooking the canal, this hostel offers modern dormitories and private rooms with a free breakfast. It's well connected to the city center and popular tourist spots. Generator Paris. Located in the trendy 10th district, this stylish hostel is within easy reach of Montmartre and Pigalle. It offers a range of accommodation options, a rooftop terrace with stunning views of Sacré-Cœur and a lively bar. The Loft Boutique Hostel, nestled in Belleville, a multicultural up-and-coming neighborhood, the Loft offers a mix of dorms and private rooms. With a cozy outdoor patio and a communal kitchen, it's a great place to meet fellow travelers. Here is why you need to visit Paris. Paris is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and the Louvre. Paris's art scene is unparalleled with its numerous galleries, ateliers, and museums, showcasing works from world-renowned artists. As the birthplace of haute couture, Paris is a shopping paradise for fashion enthusiasts. Every corner of Paris has a story to tell. The city's rich history and culture are palpable in its architecture, streets, and gardens. While Paris is a breathtaking city, it has its fair share of challenges. Paris is home to some of the world's most famous attractions, so be prepared for potentially long lines at popular sites like the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre. While Paris is generally safe, tourists should be cautious about petty crimes such as pickpocketing and purse snatching, particularly in crowded areas and on public transportation. Next is Prague, the city of 100 spires. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Prague is a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and modern vibes. Renowned for its impressive architecture, vibrant nightlife, and rich beer culture, this Czech capital is a paradise for travelers seeking a unique European experience. Here are some places that you can visit. Prague Castle. This ancient symbol of the Czech lands is the largest ancient castle in the world. Housing everything from the Gothic St. Vitus Cathedral to the old Royal Palace, the castle complex offers a stunning view over the city. Charles Bridge. A stroll across the Charles Bridge is quintessential to the Prague experience. Adorned with 30 Baroque statues, it offers a magnificent view of the Vltava River and is especially romantic at sunrise or sunset. Old Town Square and astronomical clock heart of Prague's Old Town, the square is a bustling spot surrounded by colorful Baroque buildings and Gothic churches. Don't miss the hourly show of the astronomical clock, dating back to the 15th century. Cross Club. A multi-level venue with a distinct steampunk vibe, Cross Club offers a range of music from dubstep to techno and is a gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. Vinohrady, known for its buzzing nightlife, this neighborhood is filled with trendy bars, pubs, and clubs where you can enjoy a night out with locals. Here are some budget-friendly places to stay. Hostel One Home, located in the city center, this cozy hostel is known for its friendly staff and vibrant atmosphere. The hostel organizes daily activities and nightly social events, making it a great place to meet other travelers. The Madhouse Prague. This small, unique hostel offers a community vibe with organized group activities, making it ideal for solo travelers or those looking to make new friends. Sir Toby's Hostel. A bit off the beaten path in the Holsevus neighborhood, Sir Toby's has a charm with its vintage design, brick cellar pub, and outdoor terrace. Here is why Prague is worth a visit. It's an architectural marvel. Prague is a visual feast with its stunning blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture. It's affordable. Compared to other European capitals, Prague offers great value for money, especially when it comes to food, drink, and accommodation. Known as the birthplace of Pilsner, Prague is a haven for beer lovers. Don't miss the opportunity to try some of the best beers in the world. There are some cons of visiting Prague. Czech Republic uses its own currency, Czech koruna, which can lead to confusion when trying to understand prices or give exact change. Traditional Czech cuisine is heavily meat-based. While things are improving, vegetarian and especially vegan options can be more limited, especially outside of the city center. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.